Okay, this is the Retro Pixel FunnyPlaying Game Boy Color IPS V2 backlight kit. So this case measures 12 cm by 7 and about 3.5 centimeters deep. So it's a small case. Came in this box. Did I mention it took 9 weeks? All up it costs $52.80 US, including shipping and taxes. So the screen measures 7 cm by 5.2 cm. Nice. Some 3M pads and so I was reading a tutorial. It's saying solder this bit, the bright adjust sensor to the cable. I was assuming we have to do it, but it looks like they've done it for us. So cool. I was like freaking out. Closer look. So this C11 says somewhere in the tutorial about removing it if you can't get the levels of brightness or something like that. I'll go over it again once we get to that part. Okay, this is the ExtremeRate Chameleon Game Boy Color replacement shell. This costs $22 US, including shipping and taxes. It took 8 weeks, just over 8 weeks to get to Australia. In this bag. So the box is only that small. The shell, you get every part. EMI shells, back sticker, pads, battery terminals. This screen is plastic. I also bought a separate glass one. This is $3.50 from AliExpress. I can't remember the store, but yeah. And tools. My Nintendo Switch shells were also ExtremeRate, and ExtremeRate products based on that one experience was extremely good, so I have full confidence with this shell. Oh wow, it feels so glidey. it's so glidey. It's so smooth and shiny. This is solid. This is so nice. I'm loving this shell. Obviously it's spray painted. Oh, that's funny. Okay. I am loving this shell. This is so nice. It's glossy. But it feels glidey. That's the word I'm going to use. Very, very nice. Okay. now I'm just going to mark the outline, just cutting a little slit next to the screen. Here, there. But even though the screen reaches up to here, the instruction says shave it down up to here, not and here. But don't shave this bit, and shave it down here onwards. So let's go and shave it down now. Okay, this is the rotary drill. I got mine for 50 Australian dollars from my hardware store. If you got a Dremel, that'd be cool. This is like a cheaper version of a Dremel. So it makes life so much easier. Okay, now just do final touches. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is with the rotary drill. Okay, so in the image previously, you need to shave off the bits here, here, here. Okay, so I did a test run on this one. And I did on the glossy one, so that's my final job. I think I did better job this on the second go. Not as ugly as the first one. As the previous image, shave the top bit off here. Make sure you shave the correct side. Okay. The plastic bit that holds this IR sensor. This is longer than it will not fit in here, so you need to also shave off just a tiny bit so it will fit. See, it will fit now. But if you don't shave it off, it's not going to fit. Just a tiny bit, maybe like half a mil. So snap on this to this. Just, you can hear the snap click. And then the cable, attach it back to the motherboard. Make sure you put the clips locked back to hold it in place. Then the bright adjust sensor goes under the ribbon cable. Apply the 3M sticker on the case. Remove the film from the LCD and carefully apply it onto the 3M sticker. Don't forget put the plastic bit here, the black one. Tuck this in this side. Fold it over. After you put the motherboard down, fish out the bright adjust sensor and just line it up against the black plate here. 3 screws back onto the motherboard. Back case on and screw it up. All 6 screws. Okay, the seams are all perfect, unlike my orange shell where there was squeaky gap in one of the sectional seams here. Really liking this color. The one issue is the power button is being squashed by these 2 shells. It's very tight fit, and also the space for you to fit the screen is tiny bit too tight. If you're going to use glass, do not recommend it because it cracked my glass, so I had to go for plastic because plastic will give way and bend. So this screen is actually not flat, it's actually being pushed up because yeah, it's just too tight. IPS is no complaint at all. Sensor works. Color is amazing.